So today's sexy 6 tips are based on what you should have in your spice cupboard. Number 1, cinnamon. Cinnamon is a massive antioxidant, which means it fights free radical damage. It's really good for regulating blood and insulin resistance. Cinnamon is also a very high anti-inflammatory, and it has been proven to cut the risk of heart disease by what it can actually do with your blood. So sometimes I'll use it on my porridge, sometimes I'll put it into meals, it depends on, it's a bit of a Christmassy feel. But it's a great spice. You can get it in powder and you can get it in a stick. So the next one we're going for is cayenne pepper. It's the spiciest one of the 6. I know there is other spicy ones, but this has got a lot of benefits to it. So it can actually boost your metabolism. It's been proven to reduce hunger, which you might want to do, you might not. It can help lower blood pressure. It can help aid with digestion. It's very easy to add to dishes. It has got a bit of a kick to it, but you're getting that bunch of nutrients if you add it into your chilies or your curries or whatever you want to do. Just throw a little teaspoon in. You might not necessarily taste it, but you will feel the benefits of it. It's a great spice to have in the cupboard. There's loads of different brands available. Next up, turmeric or turmeric, however you want to pronounce it. It's spelled turmeric, but I call it turmeric. Don't know why. Turmeric is the yellow substance that goes in a lot of curries, especially homemade curries, not from just a packet. The thing with turmeric is it is one of the highest anti-inflammatories and antioxidants that you can get, especially a natural one. I once read a study that India as a whole has one of, if not the lowest rate of dementia in the whole world. And it's because they have this every single day. The anti-inflammatory benefits of it keep the swelling down of the brain, which reduces the chances of getting dementia. It's got so many huge benefits to it. If you do use it, add a little black pepper because it helps activate all those benefits. Give it a go. Next up is cumin, ground cumin. This is another one that is used a lot in curries and especially like Indian, Asian food. Cumin is great for digestive health. Also a very rich source of iron. It can help with diabetes, it can help with cholesterol. It's just a really powerful spice that is a great addition to a lot of your dishes. So get it in the spice cupboard. 2 more, but now we're going herbs. Herbs are much better fresh. Everything's better when it's fresh, but getting the ground dried stuff still has loads of benefits to it. It's just basically it's been dried out and then smashed up, so it will last a little bit longer. Basil or basil is great for digestion. It's an excellent anti-inflammatory. It's been proven to fight free radical activity, which if you don't know what free radical damage is, go and check it out. It's got great skin benefits. It's been proven to work towards depression, which is just a study that I read, which is crazy because it's just that, put it in, makes you feel happier. And another great benefit is it promotes a healthy gut. All the rubbish sits, keep that healthy, keeps everything else healthy. Basil. Last but not least, oregano. Oregano, another herb, another great herb when it is fresh, but you can buy it in packs like this. Obviously organic is best, obviously the non-plastic ones is best, but this is just an example. So it's a very rich antioxidant. It fights off that free radical damage. It may reduce viral infections. It's been known to work towards fighting bacteria, especially in the gut health. There you have it, 6 very simple herbs and spices that you can put into your drawer. You can get it from any supermarket. They are fairly inexpensive. Obviously you can buy the organic version, you can buy them fresh where possible, which is obviously better. Go to a market store and you can buy them in bulk. However you want to do it, just have them in and then just start using them in different dishes. 1, you're going to add more flavour. 2, you're going to add more texture and a little bit more of a different style of meal rather than just your boring dishes with just that simple ingredient. Adding those herbs and spices will change it up, but it'll also pack a punch when it comes to nutrients and minerals that you're getting alongside. So give them a go, let me know, hit me down below, see you on the next video. Wow, made that up, sexy in 6, yeah.